Hello everyone! Oh my gosh, so I am super excited today because I have the gorgeous Luxeria back here with me. Hello darling! How are you doing?
I'm really well. How is everyone else?
They don't like you. So basically today we are going to be doing we're going to be doing a new makeup transformation. Now today we're going to go for something a little bit more edgy, a little bit more sort of pa.
We love an edgy queen.
We love an edgy queen.
We love an edgy queen.
We love an edgy queen. So, anyway, we're going to get into the first thing. So, first things first is we're going to block out my eyebrows.
I don't have a lot of experience with this, so it's going to be a bit of a learning curve for me as well.
And I've never had my eyebrows like put down at all. We love a concealed queen. Hi guys, okay, so we've just glued, let me come a bit closer so you can see. So, oh my god, oh brightness! We've just like glued them down. Now we're going to like correct it and make it obviously look like my skin colour rather than this white kind of like border. But so that's the first time we've ever like blocked out eyebrows before.
Yeah,
so.
I think it's going well so far. I mean, when I put foundation on, the truth will be in the cakey pudding.
Ooh,
if that's the case, so.
and I like cake.
I'm here with Gollum. What are you wearing on the red carpet? Skin of my enemies.
Okay, so we have just done my eyebrows, we colour corrected them and everything. I think they look quite cool. Like, now I kind of don't have anything. I look a bit like Gollum and an alien. But what is next, gorgeous Luxeria?
Well, I was thinking about doing the top of your head first and doing eyebrows so that at least I have something anchored. I am going to shade check you first because I need to make sure that you match this. No, it's so light.
Is it light? It doesn't. You can mix it with mine, can't you?
I can do something.
Because mine's too dark, yours is too light. They'll counter each other out.
We love.
We love.
Cancelled queen. I'm weighing all over you.
Ooh, Luxeria's. I'm not a piss queen. We love a piss queen. I am no. So earlier on, guys. Well, last night I posted a photo of me like saying I'm straight, and I had like a fake beard on, and I like took out all of my piercings, and it was like just for a bit of fun. And then I had like someone who I won't name them, quite a large porn star, was like, oh, I cannot believe you say this. What's it got anything to do with sexuality? This unfathomable, disgusting. And I was like, are you actually serious? Like, are you actually serious? Like, anything you get offended about, you get offended about me just saying, lol, look, I look straight. Like, I'll get a grip.
You're like edging closer this time.
Can you stop talking about edging?
No, I like it. It brings the family closer together.
Ew. This chest is cursed. What is your bloody curses? This book is cursed. This house is cursed. This chest is cursed.
Do you know what's going to be really funny is that last time you looked like a what's it, this time you're going to look like a ghost.
I'm not a ghost haunting this house.
Transition from a what's it.
Yeah, maybe that's what we're going for. We're going to edgy ghost. The edging ghost. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh gosh, it's like blended with my head now. I'm cheating on this when I'm actually looking at myself.
Yeah, you shouldn't be looking at the process.
But I want to be able to be like, I want this done. I want to be like a diva and be like, don't you ever touch me with that yellow brush again. It's like playing a jigsaw puzzle with each other. I'm trying to slot in.
No.
We love a slotted queen. I am Fanny, yes, I'm your mother!
Gonna be on stage, ready for the runway, glam's on bitch.
Oh, that was rude. Ooh, look at the snotty tissue.
It's not snotty.
It is. Cummy mummy.
It's almost like yummy mummy, but
I don't know why I just said that. Sorry, that just kind of came out. That was... So would you say eyebrows is the thing you hate doing the most?
Well, it's one of the harder parts of doing makeup on someone else because getting them even and things like that is quite difficult. There's no forgiveness with them. Whereas when you have eyeshadow, it's quite easy to get them equal because you can just keep smoking it out until they're equal. See, the thing is, you can look at them and you're like, oh, they're so equally and beautiful. Then you look back in your camera and you're like, what kind of crack was I on?
Do you know what I find really funny about my face? When I've got makeup on, I look like a bitch, and I don't know why.
I think it might be the piss yellow contact lenses.
These are my natural eye colour, Luxeria.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're so offensive. That is really rude to people with piss eye coloured eyes. So now we did kind of just skip through the eyebrow stuff just because it does take a long time. We've been doing this for an hour and a half now, and
they're also not very exciting.
We've decided we're going to do like Angry Witch. That's like a
cyberkinetic future.
I'm going to kill you in your sleep and make you bleed to death. So we will carry on now. So what are we doing next, Luxie?
Well, what I'm going to do is fill in the rest of this part with foundation. Then I'm going to start with the eye look. That's going to be kind of like pulled back. It's going to be black. It's going to be pink, and it's going to be kind of a little bit maybe orange, maybe some greens as well to kind of go with your lenses.
Yep. Oh, shut up!
Who's vehicle.
The thing is, guys, it's so hot when we have all like, literally I've got a ring light and 3 stage lights around us. It's so hot, so like we have to have a window open. But the problem is we have a window open, all the noise from outside comes in. So it's like battle of the audio. We love a battle queen.
A battle queen.
Battle Royale, non-binary edition. No, because everyone just get triggered over everything. They're not going to do it.
Maybe that's what it is. The last one not triggered wins.
The last one not triggered. Hello! Have you seen that Mrs. Doubtfire thing where they edited like a horror film?
Yes!
It looks so... Pat, 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 pat. I like having tape on my face. It makes me think of like, yes, I am Miss Fame. Show them the cool...
Oh yes, well
This
I'm
is-
going to be using the Morphe 35B palette that you can't get hold of anymore.
It's so colourful, look at all the beautiful colours.
Yes, we're going to be using a big range today, but I'm going to start with this orange colour, I think. Orange and yellow to kind of go with the eyeball. Orange!
You glad to see me?
No. Yeah, touch the fashion, change your pipes.
Touch the cocaine, get high for life. Right, so do not do cocaine, guys.
No, we do not like a cocaine queen.
No. Head, shoulders, knees, and lesbians' lips. So, like before, I am doing Instagram stories and pictures like all the way through so that you can get like a sort of a little glimpse. So, make sure you come and follow me on Instagram so the next time
Little
we do...
glimpsy poo.
Can you not interrupt me, please?
I do apologise.
So, next time I do this, make sure you come and follow me on Instagram beforehand so you can see like the previous before. What about Electra Snow's quaking?
Electra, I'm coming for your gig, bitch.
You're gonna comment going, how dare you take my place, you bitch!
Not eat it. It's getting closer to your mouth.
Manchia, on the palio.
This is kind of turning into a bit of a pride look as well. I'm very confused.
So now we're doing a cyber witch gay pride. Oh no, that's offensive because people might, we're rubbing people's faces.
Some people aren't gay.
Yeah, some people aren't gay, and I don't think we know. What does gay look like? Is gay really rainbows?
I think it kind of looks a bit like this.
Yeah. So no, this is what masked straight people now look like.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Because
they're appropriating culture. Oh.
Did you ruin it?
No, I just like making you feel like I've
Stupid bitch.
How dare you? I am still here.
Oh, sorry.
That's conversations later between you and Callum.
Cannot believe Luxeria stayed over. She's really stank. Although I will say though, Jesus Christ, I bloody find hair in the apartment for weeks after she's been here.
My hair is a problem.
Like I'm a cat. We love a pussy queen.
Stop laughing.
Well,
Ruin the tape.
Don't make me laugh then. It's
not
turned into like
ready.
a phoenix or something.
It has, but we're still gonna go with the witchiness.
Yeah. You've already given me like the eyebrows that basically say I'm going to sleep with your man. That's what witches do.
I don't think any men want to sleep with these eyebrows.
Excuse me, they will sleep with what I sleep with.
Oh, okay. You know, that kind of behaviour might lend oneself to being torn off by porn stars on Twitter. Beautiful!
Okay, dying people. Right.
It's sad, it's sad. What is this? Blend, blend, blend until you
Can you be quiet, please? I'm trying to sleep. I think it
You
looks
look
alright.
insane, like a genuine insane person. I love it, that's the whole vibe. Insane cyber witch of the future.
It almost looks like a sunset.
It does, doesn't it? But it's going to be the sunset witch of the future.
Sunset
If I
Boulevard.
keep saying witch of the future, eventually it will start to look like a futuristic witch.
It's because I'm trying my hardest not to laugh and it's making me become rigid and I start laughing like I'm dying.
Oh, that's not good, is it?
No, it's not easy, is it?
You ready?
Ow! Guys, the line's getting harsh. Look at that, look at that. It's like, yeah, that's basically like I'm gonna cut glass.
Mm-hmm.
If
With your eyeshadow.
If my eyeshadow could cut glass, it wouldn't because why would it do that? That's very vicious. You're saying this kind of looks almost like a bumblebee instead of rather than a witch.
Halloween looks sexy bumblebee.
Yes, sexy bumblebee. Bumble bitch. Do you like my 5 o'clock shine? Hubert Cumberdale. I'm a ghost haunting this property. Go on, you dab it. Oh yeah.
There we go. Let's
Give
get
me
some colour back to your
more.
cheeks.
Again, I said it earlier on in the video. Like I really do like when I put makeup on and stuff. I really do like end up looking like.
Transform emotionally.
Yeah, I just become. I feel like I just look a bit mean. Just. People just inhaled a
Oh
lifetime.
yeah, don't do that. You'll get clown lung.
Is that what it's actually?
That's what it's called.
Clown lung.
Yeah.
Hello everyone. So has been a little while since you saw us, just because the camera battery was dying and I needed to charge it as it wouldn't let me continue. So we have added some quite harsh pinkness to my sides. We've kind of decided now it's like a witchy club kick going to the bee pride parade. I'm really into the pink though. It's like nice and like BAM! So if I give like a dirty look, does it scare you?
It's really quite horrendous, actually.
Guys, what you might not know is when I start getting makeup on, I start becoming a little bit more like, it's almost like my...
Bitch and Queen Central.
Yeah, it just comes out. All she did was put my eyebrows on, all of a sudden
You were like, bitch, I hope you die. I hope you drown. Everywhere. Oh, that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to do glitter and liner.
Cherry Bakewells.
No. Okay, I need you to stop being such a queen for a second.
That's very rude for people who don't. We love a good queen.
She's getting louder and louder. Like, no one cares. Sweetie.
Where's the rain? Thunderstorm. Rain them off.
This woman needs to give it a rest.
Just had someone screeching.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry guys for being really quiet on this bit. Just when we do eye stuff, I'm always like, I don't want to talk, I don't want to do anything. I'm always like, scared.
Look up. Sorry. That was a bit.
Oh my gosh!
Ferocious.
Look up!
Look up!
Work it, go!
This is not karaoke night.
It's Gary C. He's in my head.
Okay, lip and poopins. You want pink lips, yes?
Wait, because we've got pink all along here. I think pink lips, we sort of tie it all in together. Hey, 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 hey. I don't care what these chicks say. I don't even look that way. Look that way, look that way. Every time I walk in the club, they're hating on me because they don't look good. My hair done, not done at all. Luxeria, thank you so much for doing this. Like, I love it so much, and doing this kind of means more to me than like a generic person. So it makes me feel all fabulous and free. And
you are fabulous and free.
Yeah, I mean, so we turned out we were going to do like a normal sort of like a more mundane, like a more toned down,
soft glam.
Yeah, and then all of a sudden it turned into like, let's just make me look as draggy as hell.
To be honest, though, this kind of is like my soft glam.
If you're still watching this video right now, comment down below. Yes,
I love potatoes.
Comment down below. I love potatoes. So I'm off to film some other videos. So yeah, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and all of our social media links are down in the description. So come and follow us on there, and we'll see you all very soon for another fabulous video.
Yes.
Ungasha.
Bye guys.
Ungasha? I said Ungasha. What's wrong with me?
Ungasha.